I really love how this gel blaster turned out. Definitely just really like the look of it. I think it looks really awesome. Like that long handguard. So let's talk about everything I did here. Of course, I did have a little build video that went into it a little bit, but now we got it all done. And of course, I'll do a demo video with FPS test later. So again, I've got a lot of Gen 8 M4a1s, and they're probably the easiest for me to go ahead and modify and customize, especially now because I can make the barrel attachment piece. I can build it into, the handguard attachment piece, and I can build it right into that when I print it. It just prints right in it, so it's solid. It works out really nice. That helps make sure that you keep the barrel, the inner barrel, straight. And of course, that's critical to maintain FPS and increase FPS, right? So it's got a lot of stabilizers going on in there, and I showed all that in the build video. Now this stock, I'd used one other time on a blaster where it had some issues. And since I took it apart, I just thought, hey, I really think this nice longer stock would go really cool on this blaster. So I just, it was already partly black. I just painted this silver metallic. So you can see it's got a little bit of shine to it, a little bit of speck or flake in it. So that's really nice looking. Now this has some performance upgrades too. It's got an M95 spring from XFORCETACUSA.com, and it's got a nice, really long inner metal barrel from XFORCETACUSA.com. So it's got a couple things added on there that are some great, easy upgrades, and I even did a separate video to show how easy it is to do those upgrades on your own, and that should definitely increase your FPS. Now, when it comes to the handguard, this, again, custom, one-of-a-kind handguard. It actually started out as an MP5 handguard, which is definitely not made for an M4a1. I manipulated the file quite a bit, made it longer, added other pieces, and then I really just thought it looked cool. You know, I really liked how it turned out. So added, of course, a full rail along the bottom. All right, a full rail on the top. Just small rails here, and then I put a little rail cover that has my Gel Ball Blaster Master there, right? This is a Kriss Vector style riser on top because I thought it looked nice with the way the, we've got the angles here on the end of these rails, and there's a small angle here too if we took that little plate off. But so I thought that all looked really cool there. So you can see how the end of the handguard, the rails are all angled like that. Okay, and then the inner metal barrel comes to right about here, right? So this is just screwed on. There's still enough room to be able to screw even a tracer on there. And then, of course, I just have the faux suppressor. So that's kind of everything here, right? Just went with a very simple grip. I mean, this is almost long enough to be kind of a sniper rifle. I thought about putting like a bipod on it, but I thought that this was probably better. So that's what I went with. Definitely think it looks really awesome. So let me know what you guys think. Any comments or questions about it, please post them below. Of course, like, subscribe, share my channel with your friends, and participate in those monthly giveaways. And check back. I'll do a demo with FPS tests like I mentioned, and you'll see how the performance has improved by adding that inner metal barrel and that M95 spring from XFORCETAC USA. So also, yeah, check out XFORCETAC USA for really cool gel blasters, and then also lots of accessories. And William, the owner there down in Louisiana, is very knowledgeable when it comes to gel blasters and performance upgrades. So if you ever need anything and you've bought stuff from him, I'm sure he'll be willing to help you out.